All right.
Woo! Woo!
Wait, I think I should be in the middle.
Whoa, there. Oh, yeah. Never felt more alive.
You guys,
Oh, the bumps. The bumps. Oh. I can't. I just can't.
Oh my gosh.
I love that scream you had.
And I guess this is growing up. I guess this is growing up.
Here he goes.
Jump.
Woo.
Guys. Why are they still standing there? Jump. Alright, then how about this game? Now.
Gonna hold those up?
I think the water's...
That's a good call, Ace. Those shorts aren't high enough. Oh. That's one.
Start doing that for fun.
That's one.
You just gotta start throwing herself in. You gotta react to this so you can start doing it.
Hey there. Aaron here. We're at the Outer Banks. This bag of Doritos. I'm gonna try to cover myself with sand and then bait some seagulls to me with these Doritos. Try to catch one by hand. Completely covered here, disguised in the sand. Hopefully it's enough to confuse the seagulls. Go back into hiding. Oh, dude. We weren't victorious today, but maybe someday we'll be able to lure a seagull into our trap.
I guess this is growing up. Yeah, I guess this is growing